Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Hagley Park Prep from St. Andrew going up against Priory Primary from St. Anne. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Hagley Park Prep won and decided to send Priory Primary first. So we begin with Priory Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Priory. What sign did God give Noah that he would not destroy the earth with water or rain again?
The rainbow.
Correct. Hagley Park. Which man saw fire burning a bush, but the bush was not consumed?
Moses.
That's right. Science. Priory. Which of the following allows all light rays to pass through? Opaque or transparent materials?
Transparent.
That is correct. Hagley Park. What is the most important natural source of light on Earth? The sun or the moon?
The sun. The sun.
That is correct. Jamaican Affairs, Priory. Jamaica has 63 MPs who head a constituency. What does MP stand for?
Minister of Parliament.
Incorrect, it's Member of Parliament. Hagley Park. Some Jamaicans receive the national honor OJ. What does OJ stand for?
Order of Jamaica. Order of Jamaica.
That is correct. English language, Priory. Give a 5-letter synonym starting with C for transparent.
Clear.
That is correct. Hagley Park. Give an 8-letter synonym starting with A for enough.
Amount.
Incorrect, it's adequate. Television, Priory. What is the name of the alter ego of the superhero Spider-Man? Hagley Park, would you like to try?
Peter Parker. Peter Parker.
That is correct. Hagley Park. Spider-Man's alter ego Peter Parker lives in which city?
Queens. Queens.
Incorrect, it's New York. Priory, general knowledge. What is the capital of Mexico?
Mexico City.
Correct. Hagley Park, what is the capital of El Salvador?
San Salvador. San Salvador.
That's right. Social studies, Priory. Whose images appear on the new Jamaican $5,000 banknotes? Hagley Park, would you like to try?
Sharp and Nanny of the Maroons. Sam Sharp and Nanny of the Maroons.
Incorrect, it's Hugh Shearer and Donald Sangster. Social studies, Hagley Park. Whose images appear on the new Jamaican $50 banknotes?
Paul Bogle and George William Gordon. Paul Bogle and George William Gordon.
That is correct. Music, Priory. Which female artiste released the single Rolling in the Deep?
Adele.
That is correct. Hagley Park. Which female artiste released the single Just Give Me a Reason?
Rihanna.
Incorrect, it's Pink. Mathematics, Priory. What is the remainder when 55 is divided by 3? Hagley Park, would you like to try?
1.
Correct. Staying with you, Hagley Park. What is the remainder when 49 is divided by 5?
4.
Correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Hagley Park Prep on 8 and Priory Primary on 5. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.